I want to give you something today which will make your voice come out. Because see, what happens when you find your voice, you can actually make a ripple effect. Because when you can speak, you can influence. And when you can influence, you can change lives. So it reminds me of a story, It's about two boys, Billy and Johnny. They dreamed their entire lives to go to Disneyland. And finally, the day arrived. Their parents bought them the tickets and dropped them at the gates of Disneyland. Now, Johnny thought there'll be someone to drive him around. And as there was no one to drive him around, he looked for the nearest park bench and he sat down. But not Billy. He was excited. He quickly grabbed a map and planned his entire day around Disneyland. And then he went into each and every single ride. And then he heard the announcement. The park will be closing in 3 minutes. So he ran through the park, got his brother, and met their parents. Their mother asked, "So boys, how was Disneyland?" Johnny said, I hated it, Mom. But not Billy. He said, "I loved it, Mom. It was incredible. It was the best day of my life." And here's the principle, my friend. Participation equal value. For you to get the maximum value from this program and from life anywhere, you have to participate.